Hello guys, welcome to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Vencord not working. So there are two solutions. The first one is to repair Vencord. So open up your browser and then search for Vencord download. And then click the Vencord download right here. And then click the download Vencord installer. So just wait for it to load up or to finish downloading. So once you're done, just go ahead and open up the folder, click that one, and then click run. So let's just wait for a few seconds. And then there you go. And then over here, click the reinstall or repair. Just go ahead and click that one to repair your Vencord. As you can see here, it says successfully patched. So once we're done, let's move on to opening up our Discord. And if you still see this problem, let's move on to the second step. Second solution is to clear reinstallation. So many problems can resolve through a clean reinstallation because issues are often caused by corrupted program files. So first, let's uninstall Vencord. So open up Vencord installer and click the uninstall button. So it says here successfully patched. Next, we will delete Discord cache files. To do this, go to your search bar area and then search for run and then open that one. So you can also press the Windows plus R keys to open this one. And then from here, just type in %local update % and hit enter. So from here, you need to find Discord folder. Once you find Discord folder, just go ahead and double click that one to open the folder. And then find the or delete the folder cache or code cache and GPU cache from the Discord folder. So once you have already find that in your computer, so you've successfully deleted the Discord cache files. So as for me, I don't have that already because I already deleted that file. So just go ahead and find it in your computer. Okay, so next we will uninstall Discord. So in your search bar area again, type in Control Panel and then go to Program. And then click Program and Features. And then from here, find the Discord file. Right click and then click the uninstall button right here. Okay, so once we're done, let's go ahead and download the Discord and Vencord again from our browser. So let's go back to our Vencord download installer right here. And then just wait for it to load up. And then let's go ahead and type in Discord download also. And then click download Discord right here. And it says here download for Windows. So just go ahead and click that one and it will now start downloading in your computer. So once you're done, just go ahead and run all these files to install it from your computer. So right over here, just click install to install Vencord installer. It says here successfully patched. And then let's try to open our Discord app we've just downloaded earlier. So if this one is working properly, then we have fixed the problem. There you go guys. So my Discord application is working fine and properly. So that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.